Welcome to Inspiring Tales. Today we journey into a misty bamboo forest to discover a powerful lesson about protecting your inner peace. The wise Zen master, Jia Zhen, walked with absolute serenity. His mind was calm, completely untouched by the worries of the world. Beside him walked his young student, Jun. Jun was anxious, constantly looking around and fearing the unknown dangers of the forest. Suddenly, a low, terrifying growl echoed through the thick fog, breaking the silence and causing the ground to feel tense. A vicious, starving wild dog emerged from the shadows, baring its sharp teeth and snapping aggressively at the two travelers. The poor creature was thin, scarred, and driven mad by severe hunger, expressing its deep internal pain through raw anger. Jun panicked instantly, stepping backward in terror, ready to run away from what he believed was a direct, deadly attack. However, Master Jia Zhen stood perfectly still. He did not match the dog's anger. Instead, he remained completely calm and unbothered. The wild dog barked fiercely, its desperate cries shaking the air, yet the master's peaceful energy remained absolutely unshaken. "Master, run!" Jun screamed, his heart pounding with intense fear as the dangerous beast stepped closer to them. Moving with incredible gentleness, Master Jia Zhen slowly reached into his traveling bag without making any sudden or threatening movements. He pulled out his own simple lunch, a modest bowl of fresh rice and a small piece of dried fish. The master knelt gracefully in the dirt, looking directly into the dog's angry eyes with unconditional love and absolute compassion. He gently slid the bowl of food across the ground, whispering soothing words that carried a deep sense of safety. The wild dog paused, smelling the food. The creature looked at the calm master, confused by the lack of fear. Slowly, the dog approached the bowl and began eating ravenously, its tense, aggressive posture melting away with every bite. Master Jia Zhen watched softly, understanding that the dog's vicious behavior was simply a reaction to its extreme internal suffering. Jun watched in absolute amazement as the terrifying beast transformed into a peaceful animal right before his very eyes. After finishing the meal, the dog licked the bowl, looked gratefully at the master, and quietly disappeared into the mist. Master Jia Zhen stood up slowly, picked up his empty wooden bowl, and calmly continued his journey along the path. As they walked, the morning sun began to rise, melting the thick fog away and filling the forest with light. Jun followed closely, his mind spinning with confusion. He could not understand why the master helped an animal that threatened them. The golden sunlight filtered through the tall bamboo trees, creating a beautiful, peaceful atmosphere all around the two travelers. Unable to contain himself any longer, Jun stopped walking and turned to the master, demanding to understand his actions. "Master, why did you feed that angry beast?" Jun asked. "It wanted to attack us and tear us to pieces." Master Jia Zhen stopped, turned around slowly, and looked at his young student with a warm, deeply compassionate smile. "Jun," the master said gently, "the dog was not angry with us. The dog was simply screaming because it was starving. Its vicious barking was not an attack against our worth. It was merely an expression of its own deep suffering." Jun listened carefully, the master's profound words starting to settle heavily into his heart, opening his mind to a new perspective. The wise master stepped closer and placed a gentle, comforting hand on the young student's rigid, tense shoulder. "Many people you meet in this life," the master explained, "are exactly like that starving, angry dog in the forest. When people are cruel, rude, or shout at you, they are rarely angry with you as an individual. They are simply projecting their own hidden pain, their frustrations, and their internal hunger for peace onto the world around them. If you get angry in return, You accept their poison. You allow their internal hunger to destroy your own beautiful peace. True wisdom means building a shield around your heart, letting the anger of others bounce off without affecting your soul. June stood in silent awe, finally realizing how often he had allowed other people's bad moods to ruin his happiness. The master smiled and turned back to the path, his steady, peaceful footsteps guiding them forward through the quiet forest. June took a deep, liberating breath, letting go of his anxiety and embracing a profound sense of newfound emotional freedom. They passed a clear, beautiful river flowing effortlessly over stones, adapting perfectly to every single obstacle in its path. "Be like this water," the master murmured. "Let the negativity of others flow past you without changing who you are." In our modern lives, we constantly encounter angry people at work, online, or even within our own social circles. When someone attacks you with words, remember the starving dog. Recognize that their anger belongs to them, not to you. By choosing not to react with anger, you break the toxic cycle and protect your mind from absorbing unnecessary negativity. Your emotional state is entirely your choice. Do not hand the keys to your happiness over to an angry stranger. Eventually, the master and the student arrived at their beautiful mountain temple, surrounded by ancient trees and fresh air. They sat together on the peaceful wooden porch, watching the sky change colors as evening blanketed the valley below. The master poured warm, fragrant tea into 2 small clay cups, the steam rising gracefully into the cool mountain air. June drank his tea in perfect silence, his heart completely at rest, and his mind finally experiencing true, unshakable peace. Remember this golden rule: your peace is your ultimate responsibility. Never allow someone else's storm to sink your boat. The sun finally set behind the massive peaks, leaving behind a beautiful trail of starlight across the quiet universe. Master Jia Zhen closed his eyes, entering deep meditation, fully anchored in the beauty of the present moment. June joined him, closing his eyes with a gentle smile, completely free from the heavy burden of other people's opinions. Thank you for listening to this story on Inspiring Tales. We hope this ancient wisdom helps you protect your inner peace. For our English learners, notice words like compassion, meaning deep empathy, and vicious, which means highly aggressive or dangerous. Reviewing these words regularly while listening to stories will naturally boost your English vocabulary and active comprehension skills. Please practice your English today by answering our special reflection question in the comment section below this video. If you loved this inspiring tale and want to continue growing with us, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this wisdom with your friends and loved ones who need peace. Click the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming motivational stories, vocabulary lessons, and English learning content. Until next time, stay calm, breathe deeply, and guard your inner peace with all your heart. Goodbye.